Okay guys, just a quick one. It's the Grand Prix weekend here in Melbourne, so let's go and have a look and see what we've got in the way of some cars. A lot of bit of sci-fi still, of course, but we've got lots of cars back in, all these sort of different ones. There's various bits and pieces, motorbikes, things like that. So there's not a lot in the way of Formula One, because Formula One these days is very expensive to get produced, but some of the older cars have been around, so either jump on our website or come and see us. We've got a bit of die-cast up there too, so that's pretty cool. Ships and armour, usual stories. Not much been new from them, just lots of restock, things like that. Aircraft and things like that, all the usual stories. We've had a few restocks and everything else. This is a new one from Special Hobby. This one's got all these markings in it. It's 2 kits, but it comes with a book as well to tell you all about the kit. So if you're looking for something like that, we've had a bit of Special Hobby just come back in. An old classic from Monogram that's just been re-released. This is the old 48 scale F84F, if you're looking for one, so that's pretty cool. Vigans, there's the 48 scale Vigan from Special Hobby. Lots of Eduard still. There's not a lot that's been new except those couple of things. We are expecting Meng in the next day or so. That should have the Growler, the 48 scale Growler in it. And it's also got a very nice motorbike in it, the BMW R1. But the Growler actually has Australian markings in it, which we organised to get put in. So if you're looking for that, that's a good one as well. Other than that, guys, have a great day. If you're into Grand Prix, enjoy it, because it's the first one in 3 years. Main race is on Sunday, so I'm looking forward to it. So, mate, guys, have a great day. See you then. Bye.